this lesson, I want to talk about the basic of the timelines here and most important tools. And in the next lesson, I will go more depths in all of its settings. For example, we have video, image, and audio here. We want to edit something. For example, this video in a recycle bin, in a media bin, you can double click on this, on ads to see which is your media. Double click on video, double click on image, you can see that. Double click in audio and you can listen to that. After that, you can drag and drop it on the place that you want. This is timeline. This is timeline, and that media we're going to our canvas. Okay, this is timeline based on second. You can see if you play, this is our video. Our video are playing, and you can change the duration of the video by changing this. This is our first video. The plate. By this you can go at the end or at the first of that media. Okay, this is our first video. Then you can drag and drop the second video. After that, you can see after this video, or you can if you don't want to play this, hit spacebar to stop or play. This is the playhead, and you can see it shows you, okay, I'm in this second. If you want to jump to a specific second, you can see it tells you I'm in this second. All of on my timeline, the end of this video is here. The total time is here, and I'm there. If you click that, you can jump in, for example, a specific, hit enter, a specific exact frame. Just I want to bring our media. Another media after that, you can see it automatically snap another video after another video. Then I want to drag and drop. You can drag and drop this image anywhere. I will show you more. At the end of that, you can see a snap to that. You can see these waves. These waves tell us, okay, this video does not have any audio, and this video has audio. At this time, I want to show you just a setting that I want to change it. Going to the edit and preferences, I'm going to this tab and mirror waveform. Look at this waveform. Boom. You can see I like this waveform better. Mirror waveform. And another media that I want to import is my narration on YouTube. This is an audio. You can see we don't have any media on it. So you see, if you click, you see we have media that are playing after each other. Okay, you can see this media has a duration. You can see each media has its own duration here. You can click and drag, select the media and move them, for example, anywhere that you want. And you can see we have an empty space here because we don't have anything in our canvas. We doesn't have this. Things show us, okay, this is our selected media. Okay, you can see this is our media, and we can move it anywhere that we want. And if you go at the end of this media, you can see you cannot extend it because this is the duration of video. But if you want, you can decrease the duration of your video. For example, make it smaller, and you can see it snapped automatically to this header. We call it header, player, anything that you want. Snap to that duration exactly that you want. If you want to exact number go in here and see the exact number, for example, at the second 3:10 exactly, type it and go exactly in that time. Or with this, you can frame by frame. You can see these are frames. You can change frame by frame. For example, we have 30 FPS. It means in 1 second we have 30 frame image that are snapping to each other and make 1 second. Okay, that's very simple. This is our timeline. And so you learn we can extend our video, but not at the exactly of video model. For example, I want to select this media from here. I will show you all of this, right click more, but you can set right click and select in media bin. You can see this is our media. I will show you. This is just basic our timeline. We have a lot of right click in here, in here, in here. I will show you more and these settings. So this is our media. You can see this media is exactly 29 seconds, and we cannot go further that, but we can make it smaller, and that's it. Okay. And after that, you can show another media. Okay. For example, I insert this image. You can drag and drop and move it at any up timeline. You can see these are tracks. Tracks number 1, tracks number 2. You can move in between tracks anywhere that you want. Just the position of this header is very important. It's read exactly this line. And if we reach to this area, you can see, we can see this media, because it's like Photoshop or other software. This media is above this image and we cannot see that. We can see the dimensions of it. So to see that, you have to drag and drop at the above this view. Now you can see that. And with these handles, you can reduce the number of the dimension of that and move it anywhere that you want. So you can see we don't have this image because this image is here, and you can, because this is an image and it does not have any time, you can extend anywhere, any time that you want in this image. So if you play this head, this image is always on top of all this media. So because this is an image, we don't have any limit to extend it. So we want to extend to exactly in this part. You can see it's snapping exactly at the end of this. So the priority of the medias are very important. The medias at the top track will be show, at the bottom track don't show. So make it, because if you make it in this part, you cannot see that. So if you want, you have to make it above your media to see that. With click and drag, you can snap it to it. But the audios are not important. This audio will be listened. You can listen to that because just is an audio. It does not have any real image to see. If the audio is above that, below that, it's not important. You can listen to that. The audio will be begin from there, and after that you can listen to that. Okay, this is basic. And from here you can make it zoom to your timeline to better see the things that are happening. This is an frame all. It's frame all of your frame to the timeline. You can extend it with a scroll your mouse. You can use the drag if you want to cleaning media. You can using from track number 1 and track number 2, 3 to any track that you can add track after that with this plus. Add a track, boom, track. Okay. We frame all of our medias here, and if you zoom to that with this slider, you can go at any part of your track that you want. With holding control and scrolling your mouse, you can zoom in or out. With holding with just with scrolling your mouse, you can going up and down. And with this slider, you can go something like this. Okay, but with frame, with this magnifier here, you can frame all of our timeline here. Okay, this is basic of the timeline. If you right click on your clip, like click in an empty space, right click here. We have a lots of tool. We have a lots of tool here that in the next lesson I will be show you all of the timeline setting. So you learn the basic of the timeline, and it's done.